press them as a whole, and then I will have one full whole carnation. And so here I'm just continuing to remove the petals, remove the bulk of the carnation so it's easier to press it. And then when I'm done with that, I'll slide it over in the corner, and then we'll start the second carnation. And while I'm removing petals and moving everything around, I'm going to talk to you about my presses. I make my own flower presses. I use pegboard from a local hardware store, and then I also use foam for the press. This allows the air to flow through freely and gives you a better look of flowers in the end. I don't have to check them as much, because when you use paper and cardboard, you have to check daily. Here I can go a few days without that, without checking them. As far as where I get the foam, I'm actually using an air conditioner filter at the moment, but I would suggest this one is one that you will have to try out yourself, and what you like and what you don't like, because they're all different. And I had to go that round a lot. And if I can find the link of where I bought it from, I will definitely add it in the bottom at the end of the video. But I'm not sure. I've been doing this for 10 years, so I've had them for quite a while. And when I'm done with them, I just wash them or wipe them down and reuse them. So yeah, once you get them done, you can use them for a very long time. They're reusable. Once I am done filling this up, I will add another layer of foam on top, and then I will lay the pegboard on top. I allow the natural weight of the wood to press them, as opposed to screwing them down and tightening them too tight. If they are too tight, they will create mold, and I definitely don't want to do that. So I just use the weight of the pegboard.